Yeah, it's super easy to change a mono audio file into a stereo file in DaVinci Resolve. All you have to do is right click on that file, go to clip attributes, head on over to the audio tab, go down to format, change mono to stereo, and then on this under source channel, just duplicate this only source channel you have. There you have it, you out of here. But you can also do this in the timeline, but I do suggest you do it in the media pool or on the media page, because that's going to change the clips globally and not just in your timeline. But the same thing if you do it in the timeline. You right click, go to clip attributes, head on over to audio, change the format from mono to stereo. And there you have it. You are a genius. Peace.